The fast-paced life, high-pressure careers, poor dietary habits, modern lifestyle, absence of a fitness regime and a sedentary lifestyle has created lifestyle disorders in the modern day society which wasn't heard of a couple of decades ago. Overweight, diabetes, hypertension, asthma, stress, depression, anxiety, sleeplessness, bowel-related problems, and many more have started afflicting majority of the population. From ancient times, India is known for Ayurveda, Siddha, naturopathy, and yoga. Realizing the importance of these ancient, trustworthy alternate medicine, Swantana, an institute of integrated natural medicine, was established, that is, run and administered by a team of reputed professionals. Swantana Health Village, a state-of-the-art institute of natural medicine, aims to promote a holistic transformative experience by offering remedies and therapies for ailments through detoxification of the body, modification of lifestyle, and inclusion of new dietary practices. This institute is located inside the Pragati Resorts. People who join this institute and undergo rehabilitation will be able to enjoy the wonderful nature around the institute. The disciplinary approach includes Ayurveda, yoga, meditation, naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy, and several others. I'm sure this kind of pollution-free environment cannot be found in Hyderabad. And there is another most important thing about this particular place. That is, the temperature out here is 5 to 6 degrees lesser than outside, rather inside in the city. With this kind of plantation or the greenery, I'm sure it is no surprise at all. I'm coming to the end of my journey. I'm checking out of the resort and heading home. Hope you have enjoyed this particular episode on Pragati Resort, and if you have liked it, please comment in the comment section and then subscribe my channel, and then let's meet as soon as possible. Bye bye.